Okay, so here at Cortland, we are a high-performance rope manufacturer. We do a lot of custom rope solutions and within our capabilities. As many of you know, that high-performance synthetic ropes have been around for a while. We've been working together on engineering and manufacturing custom synthetic ropes, slings, and hardware. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to work to find out what kind of application is going to, what type of chafe protection is best for different applications. And then what we'll also do is we'll cover a brief video showing how to install a piece of chafe protection on a piece of plasma rope. High performance synthetic fiber ropes are most of the time they're stronger than the standard steel wire ropes. If not, they're a direct replacement for a size for size equivalent. They're also much safer by design, using it on personnel for ergonomics and also equipment. If you have equipment that can't be altered or changed or can't be damaged by a wire rope sling, a synthetic fiber rope solution is great for you. You are going to see an 86% lighter sling with a plasma high performance synthetic rope. It's also going to make it easier for transporting, inspecting, storing, whatever it might be that your customer can see. With plasma high performance synthetic ropes, one of the biggest downfalls to it is the abrasion. Are going to help to mitigate that abrasion. As you can see in the pictures there, this is fibers that have been used over time. You'll see that there's an external picture and then there's also an internal picture of the fibers. What you'll be doing is you'll be checking on the inspections to see those different types of abrasions that you might come across. Here's another picture showing the external wear on a rope, and then the internal wear is also what this does is this is going to be using the chafe protection to help mitigate this. So the different types of wear protections that we have to offer range in a broad range. Heat and to the elements, cutting, abrasion, dirt, and ingress. There's a chafe protection solution that's out there for you. A chafe protection is oftentimes used as a sacrificial layer protection to increase your service life of the rope, get the longevity. And you're also going to be able to help ensure that you have a successful option out in the field by using a chafe sleeve over your load-bearing member. Okay, so there's multiple different types of chafe protection solutions that we have to offer. I am going to stop sharing at this point and bring this back up. Can I be seen? Am I being seen?
Not yet.
Okay, so let's go here. So there's different types of chafe. Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Maybe we'll just go back to our chafe protection here. So I have samples that I was going to show, but we'll just use this. So there's different types of chafe protection that we have to offer. We're going to start out with the most abrasion resistant chafe protection that we have. It's going to be our SX Chafe Gear. So the SX is a woven braided jack PE fiber, which is actually the same fiber as what the rope's going to be made from. This HMPE fiber is most cut resistant and abrasion resistant fiber that's on the application or where we put the SX Chafe Gear in the load bearing points of all the eyes of your rope slings. The other one is the next one down is the Cortland cage. Cortland cage is HMPE braided jacket. What this does is this allows for easy ropes out in the field. Typically, a lot of times this gets used in the marine side of the industries. What this does is this allows water to escape, but not compromising on protection, chafe protection out in the field. You'll look to the next one. This is going to be an Asgard chafe protection. What this one is a nylon H&PE woven jacket. It's very durable. It's going to be also off of your different load bearing points in order to do inspections on the ropes itself. The DXC chafe sleeve looks like. This chafe sleeve is actually going to be made out of polyester instead of H&PE fiber. This still adds a really amount of protection over the ropes, and this is commonly used in your load bearing points as well. This one is also a better option for if we want to look at a cheaper solution. Your XT Chafe Gear, this is going to be a polyester woven chafe sleeve. Very similar to the DXC and the SX. What this is going to have a polyurethane hard coating over top of it, which is going to make it very hard to move, but it's also going to provide a lot of protection at the end of the day. You're going to be looking at the Pnw Tubular. What this is a nylon woven jacket sleeve in a tubular fashion. This is a less economical version, or a more economical version, I should say, that can be also used in your chafe protection or in your load bearing points. The nylon woven chafe sleeves in the tubular typically get used in applications where there's a connection point that's going to be smooth and benign and it's not going to have any sharp edges. The next tubular, or the next nylon woven jacket sleeve is going to be a Velcro. So this Velcro allows to be opened up and then inspections can continue to be done while also protecting the rope that's on the being in use. Okay, so that is options.